that the Festival of Philippine Arts and Culture, or FPAC, is a big Filipino party that has everything Filipino in it, especially food and entertainment. And still, we bring back today Executive Director of Film Arts, the body that organizes FPAC, Jilly, and one of the founders, Norma. Let me just say first, congratulations, and really a job well done for really putting this thing together. What do you think contributes to the longevity of FPAC? Kasi ang daming, di ba, mga Filipino events, yung first annual, puro first annual, hindi na susundan ng second or third. Bakit kaya ang FPAC is every year going stronger?
Yeah, because of the buy-in of Filipino-American youth. FPAC is actually run by by 400 volunteers every year, and that's growing, and then the turnover rate is really low.
Right.
You know, so the investment, they still come back. Actually, all my festival directors have been interns in the past, and you've met Arnie, you know, she's been volunteering since for 2 years now, and they keep coming back.
Right. And Joe has been volunteering for 7 years now. Joe, you've seen a lot of FPAC.
Yes.
Is there a particular FPAC memorable moment for you?
I think that would be FPAC 17 or 16, can't remember. My daughter, who was an intern also, was the volunteer coordinator at that time. And seeing her, like as an FPAC dad, seeing her and my 2 other girls in that volunteer booth coordinating things, and hand in hand with seniors and people of other nationalities, that's when it clicked. And I was emceeing too. It just has, it's kind of corny, no? Medyo magical siya.
Right. So FPAC for you has become a family event where you spend time with each other by giving back to the community.
Yes, yes.
Wow.
Yes.
Very beautiful. Favorite FPAC moment?
I think that would be in 1994 when we produced Joey Ayala's concert, because that was the first time I've seen Filipino immigrants and Americans working together really well. And to bring somebody like an indigenous artist like Joey Ayala here on an LA stage was amazing. You know, for the youth to see their roots.
Right. And Norma, favorite FPAC moment?
My most favorite FPAC moment was when, for the first time, we all gathered. Hindi tayo Ilocano, Bisaya, Tagalog, Muslim, whatever. When I heard, atin ito tayo. Ginagawa natin to sa susunod na mga Filipinos. And to me, it was just my blood transfusion. Kaya hindi ako umalis. Kasi nakikita ko, andyan na sila mga bata. We owe it to them. This is the legacy that we all have to give. Kung talagang mahal natin ang lahi natin, this is not rhetoric. We have to walk our talk. Of course, it's busy. We have problems. Of course, you know. But this is who we are. Hindi natin pwedeng sabihin, tapos na ako. Walang katapusan to kasi walang katapusan. Ang pagiging Filipino natin, walang katapusan. We hand it to our children, and their children will hand it to their children.
Yes, yes.
Very beautiful. Very beautiful. Would like to end on that note. You know, this is ours, FPAC, Festival of Philippine Arts and Culture. Lahat tayo Filipino, kay marunong magtagalog, kay maputi, kay kung Bicolano ka man, galing ka sa Mindanao, Filipino po tayong lahat. We should own this. Let us support Film Arts. Let us support Festival of Philippine Arts and Culture. And you know what? When we support, we're not just going there to support, we're also going there, come on, we're also going there to be entertained. Because over the last 20 years, napakarami din pong great entertainment coming out of FPAC. And here are some of them. Enjoy this one, guys. I'll see you again next time. Thank you so much for watching Kababayan LA. Thank you for supporting Film Arts and Festival of Philippine Arts and Culture. Mabuhay tayo mga Pilipino.